What is the proper treatment of POWs under IHL? Imagine being caught in a conflict and suddenly finding yourself in the hands of the enemy. What happens next is guided by international rules designed to protect your dignity and well-being. These rules are part of international humanitarian law, especially the Third Geneva Convention of 1949. They set clear standards for how prisoners of war should be treated. The main goal is to make sure POWs are treated humanely at all times. Torture, cruel treatment, or humiliating acts are strictly forbidden. POWs must be respected as persons, not just as combatants. Their dignity should be upheld, and they should not be insulted or subjected to public curiosity. Discrimination based on race, nationality, religion, or political beliefs is not allowed. All prisoners deserve equal treatment regardless of their background. Reprisals against POWs are also banned. This means they cannot be punished or mistreated in retaliation for actions by others. Detaining POWs are required to provide basic needs like enough food, clean clothing, proper shelter, and medical care. These essentials help keep prisoners healthy and comfortable. When it comes to sharing information, POWs only need to give their name, rank, date of birth, and serial number. They cannot be forced to share other details. If they face trial, it must be fair, and they should be prosecuted only for war crimes or acts outside lawful combat. They are entitled to legal representation and a fair hearing. Prisoners can be made to work, but only under safe conditions that respect their rank and health. They should not be assigned to dangerous or humiliating jobs. Once the conflict ends, POWs must be released and sent back home without delay. If there's any doubt about a person's status, they should be presumed to be a prisoner of war until a proper tribunal makes a decision. These rules apply to members of the armed forces, certain militia groups, and civilian support staff involved in the conflict. The International Committee of the Red Cross often acts as a neutral observer to monitor how POWs are treated and ensure rules are followed. The purpose of holding prisoners is not punishment but to prevent them from returning to fight until the war is over. These protections aim to safeguard their physical and mental health, uphold their human dignity, and respect their rights during captivity. The Third Geneva Convention and related protocols form the foundation of these rules, helping to make sure that, even in war, humanity is preserved.